Yo, what's up? How's everyone doing today? Bell Squad, how you guys doing? Donald, Steven, Spencer. What is up, Spencer? Juan's here. Ole. Morning, evening from Thailand. That's awesome. Global community here. You know, Montreal's in the house. Seattle's in the house. Steven, I'm thinking is California? Juan, forgot where. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? Argentina. Yeah, I was gonna say something like Brazil or something like that. South America. Wait, no. Am I? Hello from Mexico. Nice. Yes. Yeah. Moving to DC in January. Whoa. Okay. Why the big move, Juan? Why the big move? Oh wait, 2 people from Montreal. Oh, that's awesome. Hi, Andy. Donald, I made a meetup group page for you. We should talk about that soon, man. Meetup in Montreal. We want to get that started, and Donald is going to be the meetup host, right? If you have time. But that would be cool. All right. This guy has a lot of good songs. Let's go for something. What else songs does this guy have? Not sad. Let's go for laid back, chasing, euphoric. What? Dreamy. This one's too slow, man. Let's try happy. What is this? Ooh, it's really slow. All right. Hey, that's cool. I like it. Let me save it. Cool. Saved. Yeah. If you want to know where I'm getting all my music from, epidemicsound.com. It's a software as a service. It's so, you can use any songs in their catalog for a monthly price on your YouTube channel. So you don't get hit with any copyright strikes, but they have a lot of good music. Very chill. Well, they have different genres, so yeah, you should totally check them out if you're planning on doing YouTube or something like that. Micah was the one who told me about this website, so yeah, pretty cool. Like it. Let's see here. Montreal 2 planning for yes, you're planning for January. Yeah, we're gonna talk about it. Where's that? Hold on. Montreal Webflow meetup. Here, let me post the link. There we go. Andy, join that. Already 21 people. Nice. This is what I'm looking at right now. And you want to see how many meetups we got around the world? Bam, 23. Let's go. I love to see the global community. Look at that. Let's show them all. Show them all. Bam. Our biggest one. A group that we're able to officially sponsor is in Israel, Tel Aviv. Really awesome. And then the one I've been working on for over 3 years. Whew, finally past that 1,000 mark. So yeah, let's get it. You all can do it too. If you want to start a meetup in your area, let's get it going. Yeah. So what are we doing today? Wait, where's that one? So I have this page right here. I need to update it. .com/live. I did this on the last stream. I need to update this, but yeah. I need to put this back in the center. But yeah, if you want to request something, it goes straight to my Google Sheets, which I need to pull up right now. But yeah, let's see here. There was this one that caught my eye. Where are you at? My dog wants to come in the room. Hold on. Yo. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's see here. Right here. I talked about this on the last stream. I was like, I can actually do that. And it was part of the requests. And I want to cover it today because it seems fairly easy, but it's very impactful. Yeah, Seattle meetup. Spencer, yes. All right, check this out. You have that, and as you scroll down, the color changes. Oh, look at that. It's off. Look at that. But yeah, it's that little effect. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at how off that is. Look at it. Depends on the screen width. So, ooh, that's really off right there. I wonder why. But you can see what it's doing after you break it down. So a lot of people liked my tweet about this, saying, hey, I'm going to do this text effect. And in my head, I broke it down in my head, and I was like, that's really easy. I want to do it on the stream. And so here I go. All right? So breaking it down. This is actually just two different text elements. Okay? And one text element is in this box. Another text element is in this box. And both boxes have overflow of hidden. And so all it is just moving this that way and moving this that way to the right at the same time. And one's red and one's white. And that's it. Simple. Yeah? So let's do it. And again, go to pxlgk.com/live, and on the bottom of the screen, go ahead and submit your request. If you want me to go over something in Webflow, I will definitely take a look. Not going to promise I'm going to do it, but I'll take a look because there's a lot of things I can't do. A lot of things Webflow can't do yet, but there's a lot of things that Webflow can do, and a lot of things like, and a lot of things I can do. I'm just don't request things that are in that gray middle area, So let's go. First thing, let's get a picture. Which picture is gonna be good? That looks cool. It's all like 80s and whatnot. Oh, cool. Thanks, Donald, for the link in the chat. Well, Christmas time. I guess we can do. I need more darker. Okay. We'll just use this one. This looks pretty cool. Gonna download you. All right. Let me open up my downloads. Where are you at? What? I just downloaded it. Where'd it go? Oh, I was looking at my recents. Okay, cool. All right. So this is 3 megs. We don't need it 3 megs. Let's just adjust the size really fast and give it like 800 width. Just guessing. Save. All right, cool. That's done. All right, and say thanks. Crediting is required. I like to credit. So thank you to Paweł Zamansky. Thank you. All right, cool. Done with that. Let's begin. Let's just do a simple. We don't have. Well, we don't have to do grid because we're only doing one direction, right? So we can do flexbox. We'll do this and turn on flex. We'll do horizontal. We're good to go. Let's make it a height of 100 VH. And let's call this hero. All right, good to go. Now let's make our 2 columns. So this first column, we'll just call it column. And expand it. Copy, paste. Now we have our own 2 column row. Easy, simple, yeah. So on this side, let's put the photo. And so I'm just going to call it, give it a combo class of photo. Let's drag in our image. Okay. And now I can choose that photo. Make it cover. Cool. All right. What's up, Boget? I think I beat him to it. Yeah, I saw your link. Good job. Good job with that. Good job. All right, so yeah, as you can tell, it's fairly straightforward baguette. So yeah. All right, so this one we're gonna change the color to, let's call this just, I don't know, column 1. Right, and give it a background color of, cool. Need more 80s. That's not 80s. Like, no. Yeah, something like that. Okay, cool. All right, so on this side, we're going to have this color. Let's save our swatch. For the text, this color will just bleed into here, and then white will go here. All right. So on both columns, let's go ahead and make them flex as well, because we want the text to be in the center vertically. So I'll put it right there. Cool. Let's go ahead and put our text. Let's see here. Let's go and put a heading. And on both H1s, let's get rid of the margins. All right. And for column 1, let's go ahead and push it to the right. And then for this column, keep it on the left. All right. What should we put? Like, do people still say stunna shades? What does stunna mean? I got an Urban Dictionary everything because I'm old now. Urban Dictionary. Stunna or stunner? Shades. Someone help me, I'm old. Stunner shades. Really large sunglasses, aviators. Term originated in the Bay Area associated with the hyphy movement. What is the hype? Okay, whatever. Stunner shades. There. That's what it means. Sunglasses that you wear before, during, after ghostwriting the whip. Okay. Today I learned. All right. So stunner shades. Well, let's make this huge, like 75. No. 100. Cool. Actually, keep it 100. Keep it 100. Yeah, that's another thing that kids say now, right? Now I need to figure out how to make it go beyond the column. So let me see here. And Boguette, you may have done it a different way, but this is what I thought in my head. So this is my first time actually trying this. All right, so I gotta make sure that both columns have an overflow of hidden. Okay. Hi, Spencer says hyphy was like early 2000s pop rap, big pants, fast cars, and stuff. Isn't big pants and fast cars still the thing? Carlton, what's up? All right, now I gotta figure out how this is supposed to go beyond. Maybe a width of like 100 VW. Yeah. Maybe absolute. Okay, absolute works. Okay, and so I need to move this to the right. Okay. Oh, but look, the overflow hidden doesn't work. Interesting. Oh, is it that? No. Right there, look. That's already hidden and What if it was okay, so if I go like that. Alright. So that wasn't it. I need to make sure that this doesn't break. You can't set it on text, Nelson. I can't set, you have to have it in. Thank you. Thank you. So what Carlton is saying is I have to wrap the heading in a div, and this div block is supposed to go... No? Well then, let's see here. Let's see here. It's like we're all trying to, you know, work on this together, which I love. That's awesome. Okay, so what I did was I have this div block. Is this heading... Should this heading be inline? I just don't want the text to break, that's all. Okay, so this div block right here doesn't have a width or a height. It actually has nothing. But this heading has a width of 100. Let me see if I can push it right. Okay. We're good. So, hey, that works. Okay, and so in interactions, it's just going to go like this as I scroll. Okay, so because interactions, what you call it? Interactions is just going to overwrite anything I do here in the transforms of the styles panel. I'm just going to set it just for preview, just to see if this works. What? Hold on. One of my community moderators is bothering me. Hey, Donald, if you can look in the Webflower Slack channel and help out Matthew, please. Thank you. But let's see here. Wadud, welcome to the stream, Wadud. I believe it's because its parent must be relative. I'm not using any positioning. I'm just using auto now. So yeah, the community moderators and the meetup organizers actually have their own secret Slack channel. So if you want to become a community mod or a meetup organizer, just DM me and I will have to kind of interview you. Wow, dude, when you use absolute. Ah, yes. Okay. Yeah. So this is working. We figured it out. So thank you so much. We put the div in. We put the text inside of a div, and so now I'm able to do my things. We're good now. We don't have to use position absolute. We're good. So let me keep this set at. Let's keep it set at like right here, 260. You gotta remember that 260. All right. Now let's see if I can copy this, paste it here. What happened? All right, so we'll make a duplicate duplicate class, and we'll say heading alt, like alternate. Okay, and this one we're gonna move it opposite. Actually, what am I doing? There you go. Okay, so let me find the number. So the number is probably gonna be... So 260 and 5... Is that perfect 500? Yeah. 500. Alright. So this one's 260 and this is 500. Got it. Done. I want to make sure I don't have any scrolling back and forth. I'm on the horizontal, so yep, that's good. And on this alt, we're going to use purple. That looks so cool already. Wait, actually, it doesn't look cool. I don't like the font. Let's fix this real quick. Gotta go back to something that's 80s. Impact. No. What will sell these glasses? Ugh. 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 Eh? Yeah. And Let's see here. The screen with gonna give you a fight. Really? Is it? Uh-oh. Well, let's see here. For now, let me just do... Wait. Okay, I don't want it bold. I want it normal. Yeah, let's do it normal. Then let's go ahead and... Hold on, playing around a little bit. Okay. Let me move this to the side a bit. What? Right there? That's cool. Oh, also, Baguette, if you want, go ahead and post your read-only link so we can all learn from you as well. I want to see what you did. See if you did anything different than what I'm doing right now. All right, so 390 and 260. All right, so we're there. Now we just got to do the interaction. So let's add another section below this and give this 100 VH. So that way we can scroll down and see things happening with these two. So interactions time. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Page trigger while page is scrolling. This is what does the parallax. All right. All right. Text animation. All right, here we go. I don't know if this is going to work. So we're going to do a move. And the starting move is, yeah, see if I do 0, it goes like there. So it's starting move is 260. And then when I scroll down to here, the end, let's say 260, but then it goes all the way up to, let's go to the U, like that. Okay, so all it's doing is this. And I always gotta make this sound effect whenever I'm doing parallax scrolling. All right, cool. First one's done. So far, so good. Look at the heading Alt on the move, keyframe 0, and this is, I think it's 390. Yeah, 390. And then at the end, need a 390. Nope, the other one. All right. Okay, that looks simple. Too easy if you ask me. Let's move these up a bit, like say right here. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yep. I planned it out in my head and I got it. So easy. Come on. I'm going to throw it up here higher. That's all it is. Okay, stream's over. Bye. No, just kidding. Press preview. Oh no, I'm scared. Oh, it fits. It fits. In your face, Carlton. Okay. How does it look responsively? I don't know. Oh? It still fits. Look at that. They're in line. Why do you guys doubt me? Oh, well, obviously. When the line breaks like that, then of course it breaks. But that's when you have to do like font sizes and whatnot. Like that one. Or not font size. Oh, not VW. Yeah, it would have to be font size. Actually, let's do VWs on this one. We're making this responsive, everyone. 10 VW. Nope. Let's do 13 and 15 VW. 13 and 15. Get the other one. 13 and 15. Ooh, okay. Interesting. So it goes too far. How would you solve this? Would this have to be to the right? Nope, it doesn't fit either. Now it looks like stunnades. Stunnades. Stunner Hades? That one looks cool right there. Stundus. Stunnis. Okay, I'm dumb. All right. I think the answer is no, but we can disable interactions on mobile. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So what I would do in this situation is turn off on mobile. It's a cheap cop out, but what you can also do is duplicate that and say, hey, this one is text animation mobile, right? And then you can fix your moves here and set them just for mobile like this. So you have this one happening there, okay? And then I'm gonna add another page trigger, page while scrolling, and do text animation mobile, and this is only happening on these two, and now I can edit these two. So this one, let's set the starting point here, and this one we can start this, set the starter point. I don't know, we should go push it back more. Let's do it like that. And then this one right here. Right there. And then when they're done, yeah, see, it's not quite right. So when they're done, this one should be right there. Boom. 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 And then you would just probably do the same thing. So maybe this one's too much. So now I just gotta say, okay, this only happens on that breakpoint, and I duplicate it again, and then boom. Stunner 8. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. That's bad. But yeah, there you go. Not too bad. That was fun. Yeah, sometimes I like to do some easy stuff. But again, when it comes to web design, it's usually the simplest of things that make the biggest effect. I mean, that's in the design in general, right? It's all about details. It's all about the little things. And yeah. Dude, why not make the move animations in percentages? Because you're right. Oh my god. That makes more sense. Does it? Let's try. Maybe? Let's see here. I'm going to go back to my desktop version. I'm going to do percentages. Actually, I'm going to do VW because I want the full width, not just the percentage of its parent. Can I get a clone of this so I can show you something? I'll make this a clone after the stream. I always put my clonables up on that link. Thank you so much, Donald. 10%. Oh, I was close. Oh, wait, that way. Okay, so I'm going to start. Oh, wow, 20%. Easy. At 20%. And this one, let's go with percentage of 50%. Wait, where's the ending? So, and whoa, I didn't even mean that. It's perfect right there. Okay, 37. Okay, so it's all percentages. Okay, so this one right here, we're gonna make it a percent. We're gonna say -10, just picking a random number. -10. Stunner. Shit, okay, right there. And then picking a random number like -10 percentage. All right. Whoops. What happened? Okay. Let's see if it works with percentages. Wait, did it? I meant to do VW, but it's working with percentage. Okay. Okay. What? Okay, yeah, we still work here. All right. Let's bring it down. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to have to do VW then. Wait, why does that still look good? Okay, well then. Okay, well then. That still works. Right. And here we go. Nope. Yeah. So you have to use pixels. You have to use pixels. All right. So we broke it. Thank you, Wadude. Just kidding. We can always fix it. Yeah. See if I can undo all the things. Undo all the things. Come on. Undo. There we go. No? There. Cool. And we're back. No, we're not back. Still percentages. Alright, whatever. Pixels. I think this was 260. And this was... Gonna have to fix it. Almost there. Oops. Need to fix this. There we go. Group those. And we're fine. And so when I go like this, we're still good. Cool. That's 5 minutes. I'll never get back. No, we all learned from that one. That's not a waste of 5 minutes. We all learned that using percentages or VWs with this type of thing will not work because the positioning of the things have to be exact pixels, or else the words will not overlap correctly. So we learned. Not a waste of time. Not a waste of time at all. All right. Cool. So, what is it? Shika52 answered your question. Boom. That was fun. Oh, I didn't say the nightly announcements. By the way, tomorrow, let me get the link. Tomorrow I'll be doing a Webflow workshop, kind of like what I do on my own stream, but with the larger community. Here, let me put the link in. Boom, right there. So in 13 hours, in 13 minutes, in 1 second. 0 seconds, and then 12. Yeah. So go ahead and register there, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. right here. All right. Gonna do that multi-column slider thing that someone asked for on the Webflow forums. So yeah. Love to see how much exposure you're getting. You deserve it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I love to teach. Teaching is fun, especially when. So, teaching to me is just a faster way of learning because I don't know all the things. And then someone in the chat room is going to know something, or someone in the classroom, they're going to be like, hey, have you tried it like this? Which opens my mind to a different way to get to the same answer. Because in web design, there's like so many different ways to make a thing, right? So maybe the way I showed you right now is not the best way, but it might help inspire others to start here and find another way, you know? If Boguet is still in the chat room, I'd love to see what he did for his link. Because this is what he did. Yeah, he did the same thing. Yeah, I'm looking at his link right now. He did the same thing, but if there's a different way, I'd like to know. Yeah, sharing is caring. All right. Stream request. Oh, no, wait. Other announcements. Oh, so Wednesday, doing a podcast, a live podcast recording with Riley. It's going to be our first episode, like grand opening of the Overflow podcast with Riley. So just two Webflow nerds getting together and talking about Webflow with you all, other Webflow nerds. And just I've always wanted to do a podcast to talk about all things web design and Webflow, because there's so many things to celebrate. So many things to talk about in the community that I want to talk with another person on mic. So, okay, so let me see here. So we got those done. Looking at the stream requests. All right, no new stream requests for immediately, but here we go. From last night, though. Here we go. My name is Riaan. Let me put it on the screen. How do I put it on screen? Put like Sublime Text up or something. Hold on. Don't say. Okay. Oh, what? There we go. Put it on screen. Pew. My name is Riaan. Hello, Riaan. Easier than username. Okay. Opinions on what I'm working on. I'd say 40% done. Oh, okay. So this is a site review. Here we go. All right. Ooh. Okay. Hold on, let me take it in. Is that supposed to be flickering? Or is that my screen? Is that an interaction? You guys are seeing that, right? Hold on. Yeah, you guys are seeing that. So that's my first reaction. Like, is something wrong with my screen? Ooh. Custom mouse cursor. Okay. We're doing things. Okay, I'm seeing things. I'm seeing flicker. Here's the link. Tell me if you're seeing a flicker. That has to be a Webflow interaction, not me. I'm seeing the flickering too. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's a Webflow interaction. All right. So I'm getting a vibe of like Blade Runner-ish. I feel like rain needs to happen, and the flickering is kind of like, electronic signs, like, you know what I mean? I like it though. Media and storytelling are strong tools that we use to empower and bring ideas to life. Take a look at my work. All right. First thing is these aren't immediately standing out to me. I thought these were part of this image. All right. Um, yeah. And so if these can stand out more, maybe have a stroke around them, put them in cards. I don't know. Something. Yeah. Sound with flicker. Yeah, it kind of needs sound, but then people would get scared because not many like portfolio sites have sound, and so it could be a bit jarring. If you want that flicker effect, um, I'd say more along the lines of like a CSS glitch effect. Like, let's see here, kind of like this. Let's see, view demo. Ooh, haunted. Yes, like that. It's more apparent what's happening. Yeah. These are spooky images. Okay, that's spooky. Ugh, I'm out of here. So yeah, and you can even do those other effects here too. I'm not sure how you would do it in Webflow. That's probably something for another stream. But maybe you can grab some CSS. Maybe there's like free CSS out there. That you can just copy and paste into Webflow. So check out CSS glitch. Just try to do that to your background, and I think that'll do it. All right, next page. This is nice. This is nice. Ooh, okay, it's following the background. That's cool. That's all good. I like this. Okay. Full page.js. You're using that. I know you are. View source. Hold on. Full page.js. Oh, you're not using. What are you using? You're using Scrollify. What is Scrollify? Power steering for your scroll wheel. Yeah, this is just like full page .js. And so how I knew that was because as I'm scrolling down, notice here, listen to my scroll wheel. I don't know, can you hear it? So I'm scrolling fast, but it's scrolling super slow. So there is some sort of delay, right? And sometimes I want, to me, I like full control over my scroll wheel. But right now, you're removing the control from me for probably like a second or two as you do your transition. In my opinion, so this is subjective. In my opinion, this is called scroll jacking, and I don't like it. I don't like it. I want the control all the time of my scroll wheel, because for those 2 seconds I was under the impression of what's wrong with my scroll wheel? Why doesn't it work? Did my batteries run out from my mouse or something, or is my mouse broken? No, you paused the scroll wheel action with JavaScript for 2 seconds as you did your animation. And I know a lot why people like to do this kind of stuff, because it goes from section to section perfectly. I get that. But to me, there's better ways to achieve this and still give control over the scroll wheel to the user. Let them have full control over every interaction. And so it's okay to see stuff in between, like if I stop my mouse in between, it should be okay because I control the narrative. You control the story, but I control how fast and slow I consume the story and also the transitions. I always go to hellohecko.com, which is built in Webflow, and because of them, they inspired me to do background scroll interactions and no longer doing this No longer doing full page JS or Scrollify JS. Hey Vladimir, you're not late. Did you miss much? Actually, yeah, you're late. You missed the actual text animation, but don't worry, It's right here, and it works. And I'll let you guys clone it. And it's really fun, really simple. And we learned that mobile responsive isn't. You're gonna have to do some stuff. Just rewind, or when I'm done recording, you can rewind and watch the beginning. Anyways, scrolling down, watch the background. And I have full control over it. Okay? And so as I scroll down, I'm controlling the animation on my own. Okay? So the background changes, the section changes, but I, the user, have full control. Okay? Background scroll interactions. What's that URL? Here you go. Hello Hecko. Okay? So in my opinion, much better than this. All right. Done talking about full page JS in Scrollify. As for the layout, nice. Loving it. Text hierarchy is on point. I mean, yeah, besides that, good job. Oh, is this you? My name is Jim. A freelance junior motion graphic artist. Yo, Jim. I actually want to get in contact with you. If you do motion graphics, I don't know if you're in the chat right now, Jim. Jim, are you here? Riaan? If not, I'm going to contact you after this stream because my logo, I really want some sort of animation. Here's my logo. I really want some sort of animation for this guy. Like during my streams, like during my pre-roll or something. Whoa. During my pre-roll or something, I want some sort of animation on my logo. Because like kind of like Pixar where Luxo, the lamp, is bouncing, you know? So I want to bring this pixel to life because the meaning behind the logo is that's me. I'm a pixel. I'm just one of many pixels around the world, right? We're all just pixels. And I like to talk, and I like to teach, and there's a letter P. So, I mean, that's a speech bubble. So that's me talking. See? So, can you help me do an intro animation or something like this? I would really like to talk to you. Yeah. Carlton, I can do it, Nelson. I do motion graphics too. Here's my... Oh, okay. We're all made of star stuff. I mean, pixels. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's where the whole thought of pixels came to be. I have this old site. Hold on. And Carlton and True Pixel would love to talk to you guys too. So hit me up on Twitter right now. Send me a DM and then I'll talk to you later. But yeah, that's kind of the idea. What was I gonna do? I had something that I did a long time ago. It's like one of my old redesigns that never saw the light of day. Was it you? Hold on. And it like explained what nope, that's not it. And explained what Pixel Geek really means to me. All right, hold on. Looking for it through all my lots of sites. Come on now. Where are you at? I think this is it. Learn? No. Man, dude, I did like some crazy Oh, here it is. Found it. All right. So this was actually like I'm experimenting, trying to do something different with my website. And then I actually did this. trying to make a storytelling. And this is interactions 1, okay? This is interactions 1. All right. So this was supposed to be the story. Oh, don't tell me it does. Okay, it works. So there it goes. It says a pixel is very tiny. On its own, it's interesting. On its own, it isn't interesting or much to look at. Keep scrolling. But when many pixels work together in harmony, they can entertain you, help you learn something, make you feel inspirations, or inspire you. They can even empower you to do something for the greater good. Pixels now dominate our modern lives. Without them, we wouldn't have the many gifts that make our lives easier and safer. This is how I view pixels. I think I was supposed to do one more animation, but it was just so time consuming. Yeah, it was so time consuming, and I think I needed one more. I forgot what I was going to do. But yeah, this was supposed to be like my intro to my site, but then I ditched it, as with a lot of other ideas for a redesign of my site. Yeah. So there's a journey to some of my old work. All right, Riaan, I answered your question. Right? Yeah. So great job. Hit me up. Or no, I'm going to hit you up too. But we'll see. I want to see your work. All right, moving on. Oh, wait. What's the URL to this stream so I can remember? Okay, copy your... Whoa, 21 people are watching right now. You guys are crazy. Thank you. Whoa. Nuts. Okay, well, George. I don't know if you're in the stream, George. Here we go. Review, love or hate about F-Society. Okay. Let's go look. Society feelings. All right, what is this? What is this? This is why I don't like sliders in the hero row, especially with text. Okay? I wanted to take it in first for a good 3 or 4 seconds, and then you it's like you took a piece, oops. It's like you took a piece of paper with a bunch of words on it and went, hey, read this. Okay, no. Read the next one. Okay, no. Read the next one. What's that one site? Should I use a carousel.com? Yeah, there it is. Should I use a carousel? So, should I use a carousel? No. Seriously, you really shouldn't. Why not? Well, let me tell you. And then it has stats. Okay, so... Whoa. Don't do this. Don't do this. Okay? If anything, just make these different slides. If you're okay, so let me read the copy so I can understand more. Affordable bamboo house that takes 4 hours to build, won an award in funding. So are you making, is this company making that bamboo house? Because I feel like you're missing a word, like an affordable bamboo house that takes 4 hours to build, won an award and funding. Right now, just saying affordable bamboo house leaves me with questions. Okay. Moving on. What's the next slide? Mountain gorilla populations still increasing thanks to fur. Yeah, I'm confused. Nightlife reduces. Okay. So these are headlines of things that are happening around the world. This doesn't look like a news article site to me. I thought at first this was like a charity site after reading this. Like, okay, this company makes affordable bamboo houses for third world countries. But this doesn't look like a third world country. It looks like a resort because of the nice colors of the beach umbrellas and whatnot, and This looks like people are like well off, like just chilling. Yeah, so I'm giving you my honest opinions. I'm not sure what's happening here. Totally understand what's happening here. A gorilla eating. Mountain gorilla population still increasing thanks to focused conservation. You okay? Okay, that's good. Good stuff. Nightlife reduces depression, cures cancer, according to news. Really? It does? Okay, this all has to be. These all have to be like stock or like random articles or something. I really don't believe that. But hey, what do I know? I'm not a scientist. All right, so going to the UX. Interesting that you would put an Instagram link right there, just immediately. I wonder why. Is that where you want to push people more towards? I'm interested. Oh, okay. So these are all from Webflow. Okay, so I was reading way too far into that. I am so sorry. And Carlton, yeah, Nelson, that's how Jamaica looks by the beaches as a third world country. Oh, my, my bad. I don't mean to be mean. Am I being? Ugh, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Oh, yeah, that makes sense because tourists would go there and yeah. Call me out. Call me out, please. But I'm calling myself out right here. These are all just random stuff that Webflow puts in if you click on the just put in dummy data or something like that. So, ugh, I read too far into that. Okay. If you want to count how much time I wasted in your live, that would be about 5 minutes right there. So I'm sorry. All right. As far as the whole design goes, it's very newsy and I like it. But again, this slider, please, no, don't do it. Um, let's see here. I like that. I like the add. Add. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Let's go into one of your stories. Really cool. Happy about it. Really clean. I hope it goes somewhere. Good job. What are people buying though? Why is this? Oh, okay. Hold on. What do we have here? Okay, I don't understand the. Whoa. Get me out of here. I'm scared. Uh, Whoa, lots of ads. Yeah, not sure what people would be buying, but okay. Good job, George. I don't hate it, but I want to see what the real stories are going to be in order for me to have a more honest opinion. Yep. So let me get the URL to this. Copy URL. Put it there. Okay, cool. All right, Alexander. I don't know if you're in the stream, Alexander. Nope. No, I said just copy that one. What? Oh, wait. No. Jeez. There. There we go. From Alexander. He says, hi, can you make a stream on how to set up booking system with Webflow? Example, booking with calendar and with payment system. I've never heard of calendar with a K. Is this possible or what? I'm going to make a website with WordPress or Webflow, but I haven't decided yet which platform to use. So if you can take the challenge. All right, I'll take the question. I don't know what the challenge really is. So, calendar. Does anyone know what that is? Romantic Bistro. And okay, so he probably okay. So it's not an app because usually apps they change a letter or something. So there's no such app. Okay, so he meant with the C or is probably not English as his first language. That's totally fine. All right. Calendar with payment. A booking. Now, so one thing that comes to my mind is Calendly. So this is a booking system. So calendly.com. And you can embed this into your own site. It's really simple. What features does it have? So you can let's see here. Payments. There has to be centralized billing. Nope. Calendar. Let's see here. Can I take payments for this? Calendly take payments. Oh, look at that. Someone else was already searching for that. Oh, look at this. Schedule meetings and process Stripe payment. Well, there you go. Yeah. There we go. Cool. So when you book, you can charge people money. And there you go. So I took your challenge. And answered your question. Boom. Alexander, I got you. Okay? So if your time is valuable and you're like, you want people to book your time for, I don't know. I was just thinking, like, someone actually wanted my tutoring. I was like, oh, okay, sure. And I had to, like, do it on Google Calendar. And then I asked for payment through Venmo or something or PayPal. But I could have just done this. I could have just embedded this into my site. But there you go. Now the question of should you use WordPress or Webflow? That's on you, man. That's on you. You already know I'm biased. Because I work for Webflow. But if WordPress works for you, then so be it. But Webflow has a bunch of stuff that can help you out. As also, you can easily embed the code that Calendly gives you and just copy and paste that into Webflow. Simple sauce, right? But there's still some things that Webflow can't do, like pagination. We're still working on that. Should be sometime soon. One of the guys over in our marketing team, Barrett, he actually said on the forums that he's been playing with it and they're almost ready to launch it. So close. Right? TruePixel, I'll totally review your site. Just go ahead and post it here. Where is it? Let me put it in the chat room. So I'm going in order on my spreadsheet. Just go ahead and put your requests there. I think I can get through all the requests today. Yeah, because we did a really quick demo. All right, so Taiwo. Oh, okay, I already answered this. Taiwo says, I had to build a beautiful personalized website for a fashion designer. I also want to build something like this. And we were just discussing this. So I've already answered this question. It's that same site. So yeah, if you want to build something like this, I showed you how to do the text animation right there. Super simple. And it's just up to you to use grid to make it kind of look like this or do something like this. And I've answered your question yesterday. Don't try to build something exactly as someone else. Start with your story first and the design will come from there. All right, moving on. Ollie Wright. Ollie, you're here, right? I think so. Let me scroll up on the chat. Ollie Hansen. I don't know if that's you. Okay, so anyways. Let me just copy this. right. Okay. I'd love to know how to create a text animation so it looks like it's being written, such as a hero section, etc. Many things. I'd love to know how like it's written. Yeah. Oof. I wouldn't know because I've never tried that. The only thing in my head is like has to be just like some sort of animated GIF or something or video. I don't. Anyone in chat would know. The first thing that comes to my mind is Charlie Marie's Charlie Marie, her blog page that she just launched. Or look at that. See, that's a GIF. Yep, totally a GIF. So, yeah. That's the only thing I know. Check CodePen. Yeah. What would I search under CodePen? Handwritten CSS. Handwriting animation. Okay. Okay. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. I don't know how to do this, but okay, so we're using SVG and then we're doing some sort of stroke. Okay, yeah, it's stroke animation. Yeah. I tried that once and it's all just code, and so it was tough for me. So same thing, yeah, it's a SVG. How do they follow it? Like what? Ah, lots of code. I don't. Yeah, you would need to go. No idea. No idea. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sorry, Ollie. Okay, so let me get these last three, and I think we're done for this stream. All right, so from Adrian. Hold on. All right, here we go. Adrian, what's up? What do you want? Is this just to review it? My thoughts? Here we go. Nice and clean, interesting, but the logo is standing out way too much. Like, looks like black and white with some purple and blues, and then this light blue and orange just comes out of nowhere. Yeah, it just comes out of nowhere. That color just comes out of nowhere. But let's keep going. Does that? Okay, cool. It does. That's cool. Okay. All right. Watch your pad. Ooh, excuse me. Watch your padding. It's different, top and your bottom. It's not consistent. Okay, now you're losing me. You're losing me. The reason why you're losing me is because this is nice and clean, mysterious, and then as I go here, it's getting kind of 80s, kind of Lisa Frankish, if you know what that is. And then a bunch of different images with text on top. I can't. Oh, these are all graphics? No. Do not do that. No. So first, oh, they have a hover. Why? Is that on purpose? This is the same as this. Why? I'm getting confused. Wait, and this is live text, and this is... Oh, okay. Okay, let me gonna break it down. The reason why I say don't do this is because you want Google, you want those search engine juice. You want Google rankings and whatnot, right? So you need live text. Also, live text is good for people with vision, who are impaired, who can't. Oh my God, can't think. uh, Vision handicap. And so, plus it's hard for me to read these thin words on top of the photo that you have in the background. Okay, so one, make these real divs, make these live text. Okay, cut everything out. Take the extra steps. I know it's easy just to make an image and then just slap it in there, but no, you gotta take the time. You gotta take the time, right? And then after that, the hover effect. Why? I don't think you need it because this is already here. Okay. And lastly, consistency. Okay. This, your icons is white with orange icon, white circle, orange icon. Here, it's flipped. Why? All right. And second to last is your live text. Could be a little bit bigger. And look at this. This is white, and these are all orange text. Why is that? And lastly, do the images need to be there? Honestly, I don't think you need background images for these. I get it. The icons is supposed to explain the text. You don't need an extra image to further explain the icon, which further explains the text. Okay? You can get away with it with just the icon and the text. Whew. Okay, we got that. We good? We good? Okay, moving on. Let me read the chat real quick. How can we get scrolling like this? Can you put that in my sheet, in my stream sheet? I'm working on my website. Hope you can review it on a future stream. Okay. And again, I'm gonna put the link up for Donald. If you want to put the link to the form, please. So there's a form that you can put stream requests and whatnot, so I can do it in order. Yeah. Thank you, Donald. Yeah. Carlton, any competitions soon, Nelson? I want to do more competitions. Yeah. Let's see here. Let me see. Let me think about maybe sometime soon. Maybe like a Christmas or holiday thing. Maybe like end of the year stream. Have how about this? Because probably like a gift card, do some sort of race, a build race. Ooh, would you guys like that? Some sort of live speed build race where I used to do this. I did this once on an old Webflow workshop stream, but this time I'll just give like a gift card to the winner. Yeah, and like you guys, it's kind of like it's like Top Chef or something, where it's like, okay, you're not gonna know what to build until I tell you live on the stream, and be like, build a bouncing ball, or build. It's gonna be simple stuff, but it's about speed, you know. So thank you for bringing that up. I've always wanted to do that, but you know what? I'm gonna do it on my own stream. You know, let's do that. I'll put up more information. Let's see here. I'm gonna put more information on my own site. Yeah, help us grow too. Yeah, that'll be fun. Oh no, now I'm excited. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. All right. Thank you, Carlton. Yeah. Here you go. See, you have so many different styles happening. This is nice and clean, mysterious. This is 80s ish. This is very markety. And then you get here, the background is just all over. All your styles are all over the place. Now your icons have changed to blue instead of orange. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah. Yeah. Your layout is good. Your layout is clean. You just need to keep refining it. Keep refining it. Make sure to stay with one style. Because see here, you have illustrations as background, and then down here you have a photo of a city. Oh, and your photo of the city needs to be background set to cover rather than tile. But yeah, and then your icons are orange again. So yeah. Okay. All right. Last one from Spencer. Last one from the stream. Or for the stream. There you go. He says, how would you tackle the transition after the scroll in Webflow? Transition after the scroll. Okay, that's simple. I'm scared though. This is Google. Here we go. Wow. Okay. Hold up. Okay, so they're all moving around. That's easy to do. Just X and Y. Loop effect. And they're moving very slowly. And then I can move them even more by using the mouse parallax. Scroll down. I don't know. So my thought is just scale them up and bring them to those positions, right? But then it becomes a slider. And each slider has a light box. Hold on, I'm bringing it down. I didn't give up. Hold up. So you can make it a... Oh, and it's moving on its own. I didn't do that. Or did I do that? No, I didn't. Okay, it stopped. Okay, let me let go. Okay, now it's moving on its own. Stop. Let go. That's a challenge. I may do that next stream. Hold on. If you zoom in using scale or something, so it's actually starts smaller, so the scale is going to be like 0.2 on the X and Y. And then you bring it back to 1, and then bring them to their O position. Wait. So you bring it down. All right. Let me take a break real quick. I have the heater on. It's getting really hot, but let me get some water real quick. Make some water, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. No, not next stream. This stream. All right. Let me get some water. We're gonna take this down. I like this challenge. Give me a song. Music. Intros. Here we go. BRB. kind of have an idea. All right. Oof. It was getting really hot and really dry in here. This is my flavor of the week right now. LaCroix tangerine. Good times. It's like drinking soda without sugar. Anyways, this is not an ad. It's just flavor of the week right now. All right. How are we going to tackle this challenge that Spencer has brought upon us? So I'm not going to use photos. I'm just going to use divs for now. But this part I can do. But the challenge is this part. In my head, I have it where the slider is not moving. I'm not going to even try to attempt the slider thing where it auto moves. I'm just going to attempt when the small thumbnails go into these positions right here. Okay? Let me start a new project. Nope. New project. Here we go. Zoom in slider. Thank you for the support, Spencer. He says you got this. All right. I got this. Here we go. Ready? I don't know what to do. Just kidding. That would suck. I make you guys wait all that time, and then I don't know what. But that's how it always starts, right? You just like, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, here we go. I'm guessing we bring in a slider. That's the first thing. I'm gonna make the slider height 100 VH just for fun. All right. Okay, so slide one. So slide one will have like so this is kind of like what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, the multi-column thing. So I'm not going to do the multi-column thing in this one. I'm just going to do simple columns inside of one slide for now. Let's take out that default background. Boom. Turn off. Okay, you're good. Now right here, this slide, let's go ahead and put 3 things. Let's just make this flex. And gonna do 100% of its parent. Let's just make them all like that. Vertically aligned center. And let's put 3 of these here. So this is like, pretend this is photo 1, and then it has a width of like something like 350, and then like this is 75%, so it's like that tall one. And let's put another div. Actually, let's space these out real quick. There we go. Nope. Come here. There we go. So we spaced them out. So we have that one here, this one right here. This is photo 2. And this is like 6. We'll say it's like that, and like 50%. So it's more of a landscape photo. Yeah. I'm just making the elements as I go right now, pretending they're photos. So this is just the building. Oof. Yeah, whatever. 90. Yeah, something like that. And let's just make sure that everything goes in. I'm just setting these up. Okay, let's go ahead and Push that away. Push that away. Okay, cool. We have 3 things. Now we give them background colors so I know what's what. So I have like that. That one's gonna be like that. That one's gonna be like cool. Right. Photos complete. Now, my first thought is, why don't you just push them like this? Like, scale it down, right? And then move it to wherever. Like that, right? Negative 10 VW, right? Negative 60 VH. So like something like that. So you're moving it in different areas. Where's that link? I lost that link. Where I put it? There you are. Yeah, so where's big guy? Oh, he's down here. So he's down here. So I can just put these in different areas. It's whatever. So that's the first thing I would do, right? And then let me just show you the quick thing. So positioning these makes sense. Really, positioning that makes sense, right? But the scroll down, the first scroll down, you can do page scrolled on a page trigger, page scrolled, and then when scrolled down. Wait. Okay, yeah. When scroll down, move photos. And so I can take this guy and be like, move to 0, 0, and also scale to 1. Why are you so fast though? Okay, so I need to set initial state. It's because interactions overwrites whatever you put on the styles panel. So yeah, I wish it wouldn't do that. Oh well, whatever. Oh, duplicate. Cool. That's cool. All right, so you move negative. Oh, the reason why it does that, I get it, is because this move is on pixels, but yet the other one was VW. I'm mistaken. Pah. Ah. So the move is VW's. Oh, VW and VH. Okay, so maybe let me try one more time. If that doesn't work, then I have to set an initial state. Yeah, initial state. Fine, be like that. Duplicate. Alright, so what was it? 60 and negative 160. Alright. Negative 60, negative 160. And there, whatever. Oh. There we go. And let's make these initial state. And because I do that, I have to delete it from here. Yeah. Okay. What? Where are you? Eh? Okay, so maybe... hello, come back. Oh. That was strange, but okay, whatever. Okay, so there you go. See? Just do something like that, and then we can do the easing to some better than linear. So yeah, that's all it is. And then you can do the whole... Hold on, let me... There you go. So if I scroll down... Oh wait, I can't scroll down. I need some more space at the bottom. So let's just put this like 100 VH, so I have some space to scroll at the bottom. So if I just initiate a scroll, there you go. But all of them would go like that. So okay, so not do this. This could probably be fixed full, and let me put a section under it. So there's 100 VH. So there's somewhere to scroll. You're not scrolling. Why? Slider is fixed. But, oh, okay. Because it's fixed, this is floating. So this section here needs to be 200 VH. Okay, there we go. There we go. Haha! And then lastly, the whole, like, thingamabob of, like, slider, mouse move over element. Yeah. Play mouse animation. So it's, like, this guy is supposed to be, like, you can do mouse animation. Well, you know what I'm going to do. It's that whole thing. But yeah. Does that make sense? Yes, I reviewed the F Society. I was confused at first because of the the dummy data that was in your collections made me a dummy because I was looking into it too deeply. Yeah, watch the replay. You'll see it. I'm dumb. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I didn't realize you're using dummy data until like 5 minutes later. Please fast forward through that part. Yeah, so that's the basics of it, what you can do in Webflow. I mean, the basics of doing this kind of thing inside of Webflow. It's just a slider, and then the slider elements, you just zoom it out and then zoom back in. That's it. Can you make it scroll horizontally after these initial effects? Well, this is a slider, and so, yeah. I mean, if I could just take this and then paste it like that, the slide 2, and then it's just a slider. So if I refresh, zoom down, or scroll down, yeah, it's just a slider. Simple sauce. Right? It doesn't have to be exact like this, because to be exact like this, you need a whole team of Google developers, you know? But with Webflow, you can get away with a lot. I mean, automatically, like it did in original. Yeah, so you can, but then this purple guy is going to be small until you scroll down. Right here, autoplay slides. But it won't play smoothly like this. Okay, it'll go from slide to slide to slide. What about the weird, creepy floaty before anything happens? I wouldn't say it's creepy, but yeah, you can totally do that. Like, so if I get these, so I would just have to copy these, and so 17 and 34. So page starts loading, start animation, moving photo, and it's this guy right here. And the move is set initial state, and it's again VW. Oh, I forgot what the other one is. Hold on. 34 VH. Got it. 34 VH. And then the scale is about 0.2. And there we go. And so that's the initial. And so now I have to move again. Doing an ease. It's going to take like a whole second to go. If I was going negative 17 VW, then I can just go to like 16 or 15 and then negative 30 VH. So I can just go from point to point to point. Negative 13. Just putting up random numbers. Oops. Go to 60 VH. Like something like that. So it's let's go. What am I using? I'm using just regular ease. And then I go back to 1734. One second. Okay. So it would have to be much smoother than that without any delay in each. Not sure how to prevent that. Maybe linear is the thing. Now it looks like those DVD players, you know, when it has a bouncing DVD logo. Right? But you can make it more subtle with like even longer durations. Right? So let's see here. So it's moving. If I scroll down, ooh, okay. So continually moves even when I do the scroll. So that, I don't think you can do that then. Unless there's a way in custom code, which I don't try to do on these streams. There's some sort of custom code is after I scroll down, stop doing this moving photo interaction. That's what I would think. But yeah. Cool. Great challenge. Spencer, great challenge. And hopefully that answered it, or at least got close to what you're looking for. All right, let me go to my spreadsheet. Cool. All right, so we have 3 more. So Josh, Drillhead, and Brandon, I will get to your questions next time, or your requests next time on the next stream. We went through a lot today. Cool. Let's see here. Thinking getting one of those streamer things where I can switch camera angles rather having to click on it on OBS. I don't know. Maybe it's worth it. I don't know. Google knows science, so it makes sense. Yeah, they're scientists. I don't know the things. Yeah, I mean, they came up with the idea. Just imagine this. They came up with an idea of what if we sent a car on every street in the world and took pictures. And then you get Google Street View. Just, nuts. All right. So, let's get some... Oh, where'd my music go? Why did I close it? Where is it? Cool. All right, everyone. That was a fun stream. Good job, everyone. Good job. Round of applause for all of you. A weird globe camera at that. I know, right? Like the things they think about over there. Well, in all these big companies. I mean, anyways. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream. It was fun. Did a lot. We did the whole text animation. We did zoom in sliders. We answered your questions. Looked at your portfolio sites. I love interacting with the community. It's fun. Web design is such a fun thing, a fun hobby of mine, and I'm glad I can, work on websites every day with a community as fun as the Webflow community. So thank you all so much. I usually stream Mondays, Thursdays, and maybe Saturdays at 8 p.m. Pacific time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell, join the Bell Squad, and be in here early for the in the live chat room so you can interact with the rest of the community. Thank you to everyone. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter too. I'm usually very active there. And also, you should start following at @CallMeVlad. All right? If you're into those dad jokes, well, our CEO... Hold on. There we go. Oops, I spelled it wrong. No, that's the wrong one. Delete. How come it didn't delete? Ugh. Twitter.com/callmevlad. There. Yeah, follow him. He's killing it on the Twitter game. It's so funny. But yeah, pxlgk.com/live. You can request something that you want me to do, look at live, or do a challenge live on my live stream. Put it there. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you all so much. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.